Today, you will learn how to remove page border in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Sometimes you open a document and see a border around the page. Maybe someone else added it, or maybe you added it earlier and now you don't want it anymore. Let's remove it. First, open your Word document. Now, look at the top of your screen. Click on the Design tab. If you are using an older version of Word, you might see Layout or Page Layout instead. Click on that. After clicking Design, find the option called Page Borders. It is usually in the Page Background section. Click on Page Borders. A new window will open. This is called the Borders and Shading box. Make sure you are on the Page Border tab at the top. If not, click on it. Now, look at the left side under Setting. You will see different options like Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. To remove the border, simply click on None. That's it. This tells Word that you don't want any border. Now, look at the bottom right side. You will see a drop-down menu called Apply To. This is important. If you want to remove the border from the whole document, select Whole Document. Only the current section? Choose this section. Only the first page? Choose this section, first page only. All pages except the first page? Choose this section, all except first page. Choose the option you need. Finally, click OK. And just like that, your page border will disappear. See? Very simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning Microsoft Word. I'll see you in the next easy tutorial.